What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and start this off with a little cold start. Bringing my car in after I had it bagged for like a couple weeks. Totally forgot it was bagged. Thought it was still static. It was aired out, and I forgot to air up. And this fender ended up taking a shit. You could kind of see it a little bit. Oh, there you go. All this bent in. I turned my wheel. It brought my fender in from here. Went all the way in. I heard something pop. Didn't think of anything. Aired it up. Brought it in here. Before I aired it out again, I came to check what it was, and I seen all this thing in. So I got my heat gun, pulled it out as much as I could. Made it look as nice as I could, but he can still fucking see the imperfection in it. So I fucked that up, and I was like, I was never really a fan of carbon. I mean, if I want to release some fenders for the first gen sedan, they looked pretty fucking sick to me, so I had to cop them instead of fixing that dented one. I'm still gonna fix it because I still want to add a vent to it, but for now we're going carbon, baby. Yes, sir. Today, we're going to be installing it. It's going to be a good day. Now let's get it from here. Take that off right now. So we gotta take these two off. This one, and this one. And this one. Can you see it? And I think, if I'm right, we can take this off, and there's one in there. And then I don't have liner in here, so I don't gotta worry about taking off the liner. I do gotta unscrew that one. I gotta unscrew that. The side skirt from there and from the bottom. And then it has another screw right here, I believe, or two. And it should come out. Unless there's another screw. Yes, it does. I'm gonna have to pull the car out actually. And then it has another screw right there. You can see it right there. There's one right there, and it might have another one down there. So, because if it has one up here, it has one down there for sure. I got the bolts out. All of them are 10s. These two are 12s. I used the wrench on this one because I didn't want to take this whole shit off. So I just lifted it, Stuck the wrench through it. You know, they're using the ratchet. The socket wouldn't fit through there, so and we got it out. It's loose up the front, on top. Just gotta loosen the ones in here, and the one in there. I got the fender loose. I got the side skirt loose, and it has some clips in here. 6 clips in here going down the side skirt, and then where's that piece at? And then it has this infinity panel. You just pop it off with a flathead. But I had trouble on mine because this piece, light in here, okay, this piece was bent in. Now I don't need a screw, so I got this going. Now let's get this. Okay, so it's off. It was a struggle, but it was off. So you have a screw that goes there. But in order to get to that one, you have to unscrew the one. Was right there, right here. See the hole? Right there. That screws onto the bottom part of the fender. And once you get that one loose, you can get to this one. Fuck, I just got this gimbal. I'm still trying to fucking work this shit out. You can get to this bolt. Alright guys, I haven't seen these yet. Seen them on Instagram, of course. I haven't seen them in person myself. This is my first time seeing them along with you guys. Carbon fiber fenders. Oh, I don't even want to put them on. I don't even know how fragile these things feel. It's one down, a lot more to go. it looks. It's not bolted down yet. All that carbon. Let's get this bolted on. This don't even line up. You see? You can see the hole right down there. Doesn't even reach. So hopefully it works to screw in just with this. I guess it's just gonna be in like that. Screwed in right there. Man, it looks like the ones up top line up. Just gotta do them. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna see if this one lines up too. From the looks of it, I don't think it is. Since these didn't line up, I don't think those didn't line up, but we'll see right now. So it's on. I bolted it on already, just for my hair, just to see how if it was gonna fit, how the fitting was. Looks alright so far. These don't line up. It's fine, I guess. Hopefully everything else lines up. Gotta add like a little bit, make the hole wider, or make it to where it has a little bit of place I could move it to the side a little. Because I did it right in the center and it hits right there. So I'm gonna do that, and once I fix it, scoot it down a little more this way so it won't rub. It's a tight fitment. Well, it's fucking good. Alright, so I made the hole like an oval so I could have some play on it, so I could be able to move it around. Let's see if that makes a difference and helps me adjust it to where it has to be. So there you have it. It's installed. I ended up having all these extra. These are from the top. I didn't have that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, or that bolt. But it's fucking sturdy. Of course, 'cause it's light as fuck, you know? Well, it has this bolt. This bolt has one here, one here, one here, and one there. And there it is. Almost close to perfect fitment. Just A little short, but it's alright. Sticks out a little bit here. Let me see if I could get that. You can barely see it. Look. That's pretty much it. I'll show you guys more of a process on the other side, but that was it right here. I'll just show you guys how to take it off and put it on once I do the other side. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to take the side skirt off by taking these clips off, taking this piece off. Okay, now you're gonna take off that one. To be able to loosen the side skirt. I forgot to tell you guys, right here, you gotta pop it off. Everything's loose, you just gotta pop it off. That's it. Just pop it off. Fenders are installed.